Despite the weather, the young people turn up every week and they come from all over. They catch the trains, we have parents drop children off, and a variety of schools. We even have children that are home educated attend.
I think it's absolutely fantastic, the facility we got up here. Sessions are absolutely flying. Started slow, but now you're getting something like 80, we've even had 100 children up here, all local. We don't do it too overpowering. It's normally children-led sessions, so they come out to the comp in the day and just come up and have fun with their friends.
I love coming to the Baglan sessions because it's fun with my friends, an opportunity to have a kick around and stay active when there's nothing to do.
I like coming to the Baglan because it's right on the doorstep. All the boys meet up here, we play football and the staff are really friendly.
I've enjoyed coming to the Baglan because it's helped me improve my football skills and make new friends.
We were having young girls turn up, not really interested in playing football, but coming here because of their peers are here. So we set up a walking group and we walk around the pitch trying to get 10,000 steps done every night. And we also have incorporated in a litter pick. So each week we have a bag and we try and reduce all the waste litter around the community.
Barod educates children and young people around substance awareness or drugs and alcohol. Outreach sessions like these help us and obviously help the community because we're able to be, I suppose, recognisable faces. If young people have a concern, they know what Barod are and they know that they're able to contact us. Building relationships with YEPs as well, where they're able to refer to us as well. So it's just having a wider understanding through the services and the young people.
Through engaging in the Baglan, we've also had young people attend other provision like our Friday night sport and on our holiday provision. It's been like a stepping stone to improve our engagement. And we've had a number of young people who we've referred for one-to-one support linked to this provision.